Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up volume on TradingView. Volume is a fundamental indicator, representing the total number of shares or contracts traded for a security over a specific period. It provides crucial insights into market activity, helping you confirm trends and identify potential reversals. Understanding volume is essential for making informed trading decisions, as it reflects the strength behind price movements. To add volume, first open any chart on TradingView. Locate and click the Indicators button, which is typically found at the top of your screen. In the search bar, type volume and then select the standard built-in volume indicator. Instantly, the volume bars will appear at the bottom of your chart, providing immediate visual data for your analysis. Once volume is added, you can customize its appearance. Simply double-click the volume indicator or click the small gear icon next to it to open the settings. Here, you can adjust the colors for up and down volume bars, making them visually distinct. You can also modify the moving average length for volume, or even change the display style from a histogram to an area chart, tailoring it to your preference. Beyond the basic volume indicator, TradingView offers more advanced tools. For instance, Volume Profile displays trading activity at specific price levels, offering a unique perspective. On Balance Volume, or OBV, measures cumulative buying and selling pressure. Additionally, the Volume Weighted Average Price, or VWAP, is excellent for intraday analysis. These powerful tools provide deeper insights into market dynamics, enhancing your trading strategy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.